Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super awesome. We are drawing Sobble. Last time I drew Score Bunny, so let's get on with the video. Now, I was drawing my Sobble wearing a party hat. You know, party hats are just appealing. So the first part of my party hat is I'm making a triangle, but the triangle has curved edges. That way it looks more rounded and bubble-like because most of my drawings are like that. I just think it makes them cute. And then at the top of this bubble-like triangle, we have a cloud-like shape. And I guess you could say it looks like popcorn. I don't know. That's up to you. But I went in and did some curved lines for stripes after that. Because on my party hat to have stripes. Yeah, I know that party hats can have stars and other things. I just like stripes. So then, from the edge of the party hat, I started making a circle because Sobble's head is a circle. Yeah, I don't think it's that hard to explain, but I did a circle that then had a gap at the bottom, and that is where I will be putting Sobble's neck. So once I was done with that circle, I went back in and fixed up some of the lines because my pen was running out of ink. And then I made these two very big circles about a fingertip apart from each other in the middle of Sobble's head. And those will act as our eyes. So then after that, I went in and added two circles underneath those, and those, I suppose, are like cheeks. I'm not really sure. And then I did a curved line with a little semicircle as a tongue and a line through that. So then I came back to the circles for the eyes and did a semicircle inside of that, and that will act as a pupil, and I made sure to repeat that on the other side. So now, heading up towards the head, I'm adding these little lines underneath the cone. That way it looks like Sobble is wearing the hat, not having a circle floating on top of its head. And then for the fin, it's a curved line with two semicircles underneath it. And then I had to fix up those lines. And then I had a line in between that will act as the base of the fin. So now, moving on to the neck, I'm doing two slanted lines, and those will act as Sobble's neck. And then any lines that need fixing up, just go back and fix those up. My pen was running out of ink. It was like my second time using this pen ever. The first one I used it for Score Bunny. But yeah. So now moving on to coloring. I am just coloring Sobble's eyes black, and then using the rest of the colors for Sobble's body and party hat. So you'll see that in the next few clips. Bravo! Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Bye!